Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify template. First, understand that a Shopify template, often called a theme, is the foundation of your online store's look and feel. It dictates how your products are displayed, how customers navigate, and the overall brand experience. Think of it as the blueprint for your digital storefront, providing a consistent and professional presentation. Once you grasp the basics, the next step is selecting the right theme. Shopify offers a robust theme store with hundreds of options, ranging from free themes like Dawn to premium paid themes that can cost up to $350. Evaluate themes based on your product type, desired features, and overall brand aesthetic to ensure a perfect fit for your business. With your theme selected, it is time to make it uniquely yours using the Shopify Theme Editor. This powerful tool allows you to customize nearly every aspect of your store's appearance. You can easily add or remove sections, rearrange content blocks, and adjust settings for colors, fonts, and images. Experiment with different layouts to create an engaging shopping experience. For those seeking even greater control, Shopify allows direct code editing using HTML, CSS, and Liquid. This enables highly specific design adjustments and custom functionalities. Before going live, meticulously preview your store on different devices to ensure a flawless experience. When everything looks perfect, publish your theme, and your beautifully customized Shopify store will be ready for customers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.